welcome to my channel All Rounder Anirudh. So today I am going to teach you about a very wonderful feature in MS Word, which is mailing. So let us at first know what is mailing. Mailing is the thing that we have a huge problem in sending emails to the same email to many number of people. So suppose I am writing one email to invite some of my friends. So for them I have to type it so many times. So to avoid that, what we can do, we can use this feature of MS Word. The feature is mailing. If we are writing one invitation letter and we can send it to many people, the same thing to many people. So let us know how we can do. At first let us type one letter. So I have now I have written the letter that I want to send. So now let's see how we can send it to multiple people. So for that we have to go to mailing tab and press start mailing merge. So we will now click on step by step mail merge wizard. So dialog box will now appear here. So we are going to here select that what type of document are you working on. So we will select letters. Now we will go start document. So now here is how do you want to set up your letters. Use the current documents. Means I have written this document, I want to use it. I do not want it to from another thing. So we will go to select recipients. So here is select recipients. That means the recipients, those who we want to send. So I do not have any existing list. So I will click on type a new list. So now here I will create. I will press create. A dialog box will appear. Its name is new address list. So now we will give the title as Mr. then first name Raj and Malhotra. So now company name, we want company name which we will get postal department. Then here we want to add something. Here we can add or we can delete it. So what we have to do, we will just customize column. We will press customize column. So here title, first name, last name. So here we want to add something. So type a name for your field. What name? The name will be post. Post means which staff. Means in suppose a person is working in police department. So in which post he is? Means is he inspector, sub inspector or commissioner or anything. So it is post. Means which post he is on. So we will select OK now. Post will be added. So now here we have to give post. Which post is he? Suppose in case of postal department, his post is senior superintendent. So it is his post. So now address line 1, what is his address? So we are going to deduct this all thing, means the thing we want. Email ID we are want to give. Work phone number we do not want to give. We click here delete. Then here home phone, we do not want to give, we will just click on delete. Now country or region, we will give. Zip code we won't give, we will delete it. Now state, city, address line 1 and address line 2. Address line 2 we don't want, so we will click on delete. So now company name, post, title, first name, last name. So okay. So now here let's fill up address line 1. Suppose address line 1 is Bejikhali Lane. Bejikhali Lane. And the city is Krishna Nagar. Now state is West Bengal. Then country or region, India. Email ID, suppose email ID is his name is Raj, so we will give accordingly. Raj Malhotra 123@gmail.com. Okay, so I have given the required information. So we will just do new entry. That means many other participants will be visible. So let's do many other participants. So I have now written the participants or recipients list here. So now I am going to click OK. As I click OK, one folder comes here, save address list. The address I have done, I want to save it. So where will I save? I am just locating a place to save as address, and I am naming it address of recipient. So I will save like this. So the recipient's name are here. Okay, so we'll press OK, and here let us add something, company or job. And another thing is email ID. So now what we have to do is, here is insert merge field. So now 2, in the place of 2 we will say at first title, then space, then first name, space, last name. So this is, so now title, first name, last name. Now company or job, let's enter at first company name, then I am giving one comma, and then post. Okay, so now email ID, here in the email address we can do, we will give one space, and now current address. In case of address, what we have to give, address line 1, then comma, space, then city, comma, space, then state, comma, space, country and region, then it's the last. Okay, so now your date. So on which date I am sending, let us give the date 12 dot 02.12.2020. So now here we will write the title, the space, senior superintendent. Email ID rajmalhotra123@gmail.com. Address Bejikali Lane, Krishnanagar, West Bengal, India. And dated 02.12. And here Mr. Raj Malhotra. So it's here now. So others that I have made, what to do for them? Now we have to just finish, click on finish and merge. Now if we click like this, now here option comes edit individual document. So we will click on this. So now here it will say merge to new document all, means all the recipients we have to do. Okay. See, another window came. This was our initial thing that we did roughly, and then the window will come like this. So now see, to Mr. Raj Malhotra, company or job, postal department, senior superintendent. Email ID Raj Malhotra, this and this. This is one. There's another page here to Mrs. Deepa Singh, income tax officer, class A officer. Then address like this. Then to Dr. Barun Mishra, job is Ramlila Medical College, who is senior surgeon. We want to send this all. So just we have written just one thing, and this for every person it came. So it's a very nice thing. So how do you like my video? Please comment it. So for today that's all. Bye bye. Stay safe and